therefore you got to keep in a safe account. So which you would normally put it out as escrow account. What do you mean by escrow account? That I am telling a person that I will pay him some amount of money. I am promising that I will pay some amount of money where I am obligated to do, and the other person is saying, okay, but the other person also has got to complete some work. Only then the money can be paid. If I pay the money by trust and when he's not completing the work, then I will be the loser. The other person might also think that I am completing the work. There is a chance that I may not or I fail to pay the money, then he'll be the loser. Are you understanding? So both the ways or both the sides you will have some amount of belief and mistrust also. What do you mean by that? Say always this is happening. No. What sort of happening? When we move with a person, whether he is a good person or bad person, I do not know. Believing him that he is a good person when we move and when we find him is a bad person. So we will firstly have some belief. Trust will not be there to the fullest extent. Some belief will only be there. Are you understanding, all of you? So I'm not getting into a personal relationship. I'm talking about a business relationship. So where I got to pay some amount of money for a work that somebody is expected to carry out, he will have belief but not full trust. Same way, the other side also. So what they do is that they will jointly open an account called as, it's a joint account. That account is referred to as escrow account. So I am a contractee. I want a building to be constructed. So I will put in the money. So what the contractor will look at is that when I put the money there, so the belief will become trust. So the contractor will be thinking that this LM person may be a cheat. But when I put the money into a joint account, where the contractor cannot withdraw the amount until the completion. Are you understanding, all of you? It cannot be withdrawn, but the contractor will have the confidence that the work will, I will get my money. Are you understanding, all of you? So, and contractor will also have a feel that my money is there in this escrow account and that will be drawn by contractor only when the work is over. So this or this sort of joint account between two businessmen, you call it out as what? You call it out as what? Escrow account. An escrow account is a temporary financial arrangement where a neutral third party holds fund or assets on behalf of two transacting parties. It acts as a safety net, ensuring funds are only released once all predetermined contractual conditions, such as delivery, documentation, are successfully met. Are you clear? Whatever I was just telling you, can you just visualize there? That will be kept with the bank only. Are you understanding what is escrow account?
Yes, sir.
So please understand that in this particular case, here, this is not a contractee, it is an assessee. It is an assessee. Who is a contractor here? Who is nothing but the income tax department. Correct? This escrow will not be referred to as escrow account. What is the name through which you call? What is the name through which we call? Capital gain accounts scheme. So the income tax department will understand that the money kept in capital account gain scheme will be used for purchases or will be used for construction. So the income tax department is getting confidence that the money is used only for the purpose of within 2 more years and within 3 years and all that. So assessee keeping the money in capital gain account scheme would mean the income tax department will think in what manner they will be thinking. It will think, yes, assessee will purchase or construct. Hence, section 54, 54B. Then can be given exemption. Are you understanding, all of you? So, the escrow account is nothing but what? Capital gain account scheme. What do you mean by escrow account? Escrow account in this case is capital gain account scheme. Assessee, when he is depositing the money in capital gain account scheme, the income tax department will start thinking that yes, assessee will purchase or construct. Hence, he can be provided with an exemption of 54, 54B and so on. Are you understanding, all of you? So now you can understand what is a capital gain account scheme. So capital gain account scheme is basically an escrow account. Are you understanding, all of you? So by what point of time it should have been created? If investment in new asset is not made before the date of filing the return, the capital gain or net consideration for 54F must be deposited in capital gain account scheme before the due date under section 139(1). Proof of deposit must be attached with the return. That means if proof is done, it will be construed or it will be assumed that investment is made in the respective assets. So have that in your mind. And people might ask this question, sir, after the 2 years, 3 years period, what will happen to that deposit? If any unutilized amount is there, how it is to be treated? If the amount deposited in CGAS is not utilized in 2, 3 years, the unutilized amount is charged as capital gain in the year the stipulated period expires. In case of death of the assessee, unutilized amount is not taxable in the hands of the legal heirs. So that sort of broad-mindedness our income tax department is having. So have that in your mind.